Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Grade 7 Hindi online class. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at home. Today we are going to learn lesson 3. The topic is Baba Bharati. This is a story. In this story, only 3 characters are there. Baba Bharati and its horse Sultan and one dacoit, Kollaikaran, Khadga Singh. These 3 characters are here. Baba Bharati was a saint. He was living out of the village in a temple with his horse. The horse name is Sultan. It is very beautiful. The another person is the Daku. Daku means dacoit. His name is Khadga Singh. So he was famous dacoit in that place. Okay, now we can see the story through this lesson. All take your book, page number 11. Lesson 3, book page number 11. Look here all. माँ को अपने बेटे और किसान को अपने लहलहाते के देखकर जो आनंद आता है वही आनंद बाबा भारती को अपना घोड़ा देकर आता था. Mom, you know the meaning. What's the meaning of mom? Mom means mother or माता. माँ को अपने बेटे is son, बेटे son. और and किसान को farmer अपने लहलहाते means fertile खेत field देख कर means look. जो आनंद आता था आनंद happy वही आनंद बाबा भारती को अपना घोड़ा देकर आता था. आनंद happy बाबा भारती अपना घोड़ा देकर आता था. Okay, देकर. What is the meaning of this? You know, mom, when the mother look her child and when the kisan look his fertile land, field, the mother when like her child, she will be happy. Like that, when the farmer look his field, he will be happy. Like that, this Baba Bharati, when he looks his horse, he will become very happy. That's the meaning of this sentence. माँ को अपना बेटे और किसान को अपने लहलहाते के देकर जो आनंद आता है वही आनंद बाबा भारती को अपना घोड़ा देकर आता था. So बाबा भारती like his horse very much. वह घोड़ा बड़ा सुंदर था. His horse, then it is very beautiful also. सुंदर, what is mean सुंदर? Beautiful. वह घोड़ा, that horse, बड़ा सुंदर था. It was very beautiful. बड़ा बलवान and also it was strong. इसके जोड़ का घोड़ा सारे इलाके में न आता. इसके जोड़े pair of a horse we cannot see anywhere. Like that it was very beautiful. बाबा भारती उसे सुल्तान कहकर पुकारते और अपने हाथ से करकरा करते, खुद दाना खिलाते और देख देख कर प्रसन्न होते थे. So how he will do no? Baba Bharati उसे सुल्तान कहकर, he used to call the horse Sultan. तो horse name is Sultan. घोड़े का नाम सुल्तान है. बाबा भारती used to call सुल्तान. सुल्तान कहकर पुकारते थे. अपने हाथों से करकरा करते थे. He will clean it in his hand and he will feed with his hand and और देख देख कर प्रसन्न. Doing this all he will be happy. So totally he was happy with that horse. Okay, did you understand this first para? Next para, look. नगर के जीवन से भी गिरना थी. He liked very much his horse. He did not like the city life. He hate the city life. Nagar means city, जीवन life, गिरना hate. He hates city life. वह अब गांव से बाहर एक छोटे से मंदिर में रहते और भगवान का भजन करते थे. So he left the city and came to the village. the village also. Out of the village, he was staying in a temple. और भगवान का भजन कर, he was praying about God and he was staying in a temple. सुल्तान बिना नहीं रह सकूंगा. His word is मैं सुल्तान बिना नहीं रह सकूंगा. उन्हें ऐसी भ्रांति सी हो गई थी. With the horse he was like a mental. Without that horse he cannot live. This is his words. He used to say this. The Baba Bharati used to say this. I cannot live with my horse. I cannot live without horse. उन्हें ऐसी भ्रांति सी, भ्रांति means mental. He was like mental with that horse. Next look the third para. Khadg Singh, उस इलाके का, the one character I said, this one Baba Bharati and Baba Bharati's horse. Now we come to know about this Khadg Singh. Khadg Singh means the dacoit, kollaikaran. Daku name, Hindi daku, dacoit, kollaikaran. Khadg Singh उस इलाके का प्रसिद्ध डाकू था. फेमस dacoit. Famous, प्रसिद्ध means famous, डाकू था. Khadg Singh was a famous dacoit. लोग उसका नाम सुनकर कांपते थे. When the people hear his name, they will be shivering. Okay. सुल्तान की कीर्ति उनके कानों तक भी पहुंची. So the beautiful horse was there, isn't it? He come to know in his ear. Kano means ear. In his kano, in his ear, reached about the Sultan. Okay. Sultan की कीर्ति means famous. The fame of the horse reached whose ear? Khadg Singh. उसका हृदय उसे देखने के लिए अधीर हो उठा. उसका हृदय उसे देखने के लिए अधीर हो उठा. Now he like to see that horse. वह एक दिन दोपहर के समय बाबा बारदी के पास पहुंचा. One day he reached to, पहुंचा means reached to बाबा बारदी's house. और नमस्कार करके बैठ गया. नमस्कार करके बैठ गया. He wished and sat. So what happened? There was a dacoit. Who was he? Khadg Singh. Khadg Singh के पास कौन आया? Khadg Singh कौन है? Khadg Singh एक डाकू था. वह उसको अब मालूम पड़ा. He come to know there is a horse, beautiful horse. So he like to look that and he came to Baba Bharati's house to look the horse. Next what happened? Look and look. बाबा भारती ने पूछा, कहो इधर कैसे आ गए हो? बाबा भारती asked him, इधर कैसे आ गए? How did you come here? सुल्तान की चाह खींच ली. He replied, सुल्तान की चाह खींच ली. The सुल्तान की चाह, the beauty of the this one horse, सुल्तान. सुल्तान की चाह खींच ली. The desire of the horse pulled me here. The Sultan horse is pulled me here. So I like to see this, so I came here, he said. क्या कहना? At once he replied. Who replied? बाबा बारदी replied, क्या कहना? जो उसे एक बार देख लेता है, उसके हृदय पर उसकी छवि अंकित हो जाती है. अंकित means printed. छवि means beauty. हृदय means heart. एक बार one time. देख लेना means look. He told that Baba Bharati at once told. What he said? He asked first, how did you come here? He said, I like to look this horse, so I came here. So at once Baba Bharati said, one time, one who is looking this in their heart, its beauty will be printed. So once look, its beauty will be printed in their heart because it is that much beautiful. Okay, so he explained that. Next, बाबा भारती और खड्ग सिंह अस्तबल में पहुंचे. नाउ बाबा भारती एंड खड्ग सिंह बोथ वेयर दे वेंट टू द स्टेबल. बाबा ने घोड़ा दिखाया घमंड से. प्राउडली ही सो द बाबा भारती प्राउडली सो द हॉर्स टू द खड्ग सिंह. ओके, घोड़ा दिखाया घमंड से. प्राउडली ही सो हिज हॉर्स. खड्ग सिंह ने घोड़ा देखकर आश्चर्य से सोचने लगा. When the Khadg Singh saw that, he was surprised. भाग्य की बात है. He is thinking in his mind, I am lucky. ऐसा घोड़ा कड़ा सिंह के पास होना चाहिए. He is thinking in his mind. Like this horse must be with Khadga Singh. It should be with me. He is thinking in his mind. इस साधु को ऐसी चीजें से क्या लाभ? What's the use of this one for this saint? Sadhu saint. Who is sadhu here? Baba Bharati. साधु को ऐसी चीजों से, like these things, like this horse. क्या लाभ? What is the benefit? What's the benefit of like this horse? कुछ देर तक आश्चर्य से चुपचाप खड़ा रहा. Few minutes he was silently stood. उसके हृदय में हलचल होने लगी. In confusion in his mind, how I can take this? बालकों की सी अधीरता से बोला, परंतु बाबाजी इसकी चाल न देखी तो क्या? बाबाजी भी मनुष्य ही थे. So he is like children. He is telling something to Babaji. परंतु बाबाजी, बट बाबाजी इसकी चाल न देखी तो क्या? चाल मीन्स इट्स ब्यूटी. देखी तो क्या? बाबाजी भी मनुष्य है. बिकॉज इट इज दैट मच ब्यूटीफुल. He is thinking he is the saint. No need for him. This would have with me. So even Babaji also one man. The beautiful things everybody will like. So Baba also like that. He was telling like a child, murmuring. Okay. Next look here. घोड़े को खोलकर बागर गए. So Baba Bharati take the horse and come out now. घोड़ा वायु वेग से उड़ने लगा. वायु वेग means usually horse runs fast, isn't it? So here it's very fast. It was when he brought out, it was run very fast. उसकी चाल देखकर खड्ग सिंह के हृदय पर सांप लेट गया. सांप लेट गया. सांप means snake. In his heart, सांप लेट गया. Snake lie down. Not this. This is not. This meaning is greedy. He become greedy. He decided in his mind. Who decided? Khadga Singh. When he saw that the horse was running, in his heart he decided. What he decided? However, I have to take this horse. वह डाकू था. He was the dacoit. उसके पास बाहुबल था. He was the strength also. और आदमी थे. He was the man. जाते जाते उसने कहा, while going he was telling, बाबाजी मैं ये घोड़ा आपके पास ना रखने दूंगा. He shouted and told to Baba Bharati, बाबाजी मैं ये घोड़ा आपके पास ना रखने दूंगा. I never allow to be this horse with you. So however I will take this horse. Like that he said. When Baba Bharati डर गए. Baba Bharati, when he said this, he frightened. अब उन्हें रात को नींद न आती. He couldn't sleep because he liked very much his horse. So अब उन्हें रात को नींद न आती. He did not sleep. सारी रात means whole night. अस्तबल की रखवाली में कटने लगी. अस्तबल means stable. अस्तबल की रखवाली means he is taking guard of that. Okay. रखवाली में कटने लगी. He passed his nice take care in the stable. Prediction Khadga Singh था बाई लहरा था. Each minute he was afraid of him. When he will come, when he will take. परंतु कई मास बीत गए. Like this many months passed away. और वह न आया. But he did not come. बाबा भारती कुछ असावधान हो गए. So he also become careless. He are not caring about that now. बाइक की नाई मिथ्या समझने लगे. So because of this fear he thought it may be false news. He may tell a lie. Like that he thought. संध्या का समय था. Another one day evening time. संध्या words mean Sunday evening. संध्या का समय था. The evening time. बाबा भारती सुल्तान की पीठ पर सवार होकर घूमने जा रहे थे. बाबा भारती सुल्तान की पीठ पर. He was sitting on the horse and was traveling to roam here and there. Okay, घूमने जा रहे थे. सहसा और सहसा suddenly एक ओर से आवाज आई. From one side the sound came. आवाज sound came. ओ बाबा इस कंगाल की सुनते जाना. The sound, what sound heard? ओ बाबा जी इस कंगाले की सुनते जाना. This poor word you hear and go. आवाज में करुणा थी. In the sound pity also there. बाबा ने तो घोड़े को रोक लिया. He stopped the horse. बाबा stopped the horse. रोक लिया means stopped. घोड़े को रोक लिया. देखा एक अपाहिज वृक्ष की छाया में पड़ा करा रहा है. एक अपाहिज मीन्स कैंडिकैप्ड, फिजिकली कैंडिकैप्ड. अपाहिज वृक्ष की छाया में, शैडो ऑफ द ट्री, करा रहा था, मरमरिंग समथिंग. बोले, क्यों, तुम्हें क्या कष्ट है? देन बाबा भारती वेंट नियर हिम एंड सेड, आस्क्ड, बोले, टेल, क्यों, तुम्हें क्या कष्ट है? व्हाट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू? he asked. Baba Bharati asked to that person, one who was under the tree. अपागिश ने हाथ जोड़कर कहा. अपागिश द कैंडी कैप्ट, हाथ जोड़कर, join his hand and said, कहा, said, बाबा मैं दुखिया हूँ, I am sad, मुझ पर दया करो. दया करो means pity on me. रामवाला यहाँ से 3 मील है. रामवाला from here 3 mile. मुझे वहां जाना, आई वॉन्ट टू गो देयर. घोड़े पर चढ़ा लो, टेक मी ऑन द हॉर्स. परमात्मा भला करेगा, गॉड विल डू गुड फॉर यू. लाइदर हु सेड, द कैंडी कैप्ट सेड टू बाबा भारती. व्हाट इज सेड? ही जॉइंड हिज हैंड एंड सेड, आई एम वेरी सैड, आई एम वेरी डिफिकल्ट, मुझ पर दया कीजिए, यू पिटी ऑन मी, आई वॉन्ट टू गो रामवाला फ्रॉम हियर 3 kilometers. Like that he asked. Baba Bharati also believed that. बाबा भारती ने घोड़े से उतरकर अपागिज को घोड़े पर सवार किया. So बाबा भारती what he did, he come down from the horse and उतरकर means come down, and अपागिज handicapped को घोड़े पर सवार किया. He asked them to sit on the horse और स्वयं उसकी लगाम पकड़कर, लगाम means bridle, okay, लगाम पकड़कर धीरे धीरे चलने लगे. स्लोली ही वॉक्ड. लगाम मीन्स कड़ीवालम विल से, फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द हॉर्स दे विल बी टाई इन द नेक एंड कैच इन द रोप, दैट वन. पकड़कर धीरे धीरे चलने लगे. ही वॉज वॉकिंग स्लोली. साथ उनके एक झटका सा लगा. सडनली ही फेल्ट समथिंग लेफ्ट इन हिज हैंड, और लगा हाथ से छूट गई. लगा दैट ब्राइडल लेफ्ट फ्रॉम हिज हैंड. उनके आश्चर्य का ठिकाना न रहा. ही couldn't tolerate the surprise, tolerate that. जब उन्होंने देखा, when he saw, अपागिज पीठ पर धनकर बैठा, he was sitting straightly, और घोड़े को दौड़ाए लिए जा रहा था. While he was looking, तो कुதிரை के மேல கை ஒரு தட்டு தட்டிட்டு, if he did that, the horse run away. So he also done that, the horse run away, दौड़ाए लिए जा रहा है. It was going. उनके मुख से भय, विस्मय और निराश से मिली हुई चीख निकल गई. वह अपागिज डाकू खड्ग सिंह था. उनके मुख से बड़े बाबा भारती, उनके मुख से भय, डर, भय मीन्स व्हाट, फियर, विस्मय, सरप्राइज, निराश मीन्स अनहोप, मिली हुई चीख, द साउंड केम आउट, बिकॉज ही डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट. ही लाइक वेरी मच हिज हॉर्स. So he went to help the poor man. So he thought that he was the handicapped, the poor. So he went to help him, but he couldn't tolerate that. But then he was looking that. Then only after that only he found he was the, who was he? He was the Khadga Singh. Wah Apagish Daku Khadga Singh tha, that handicapped. Who was that? The dacoit, the Kollekaran Khadga Singh tha. Then only he found out that is the Khadga Singh. So he has acted like Apagish for getting that horse. Okay. Next, Baba Bharati कुछ देर तक चुप रहे. He was quiet few minutes, and इसके पश्चात after that कुछ निश्चय करके he decided, and पूरे बल से चिल्लाकर बोले. His whole energy he shouted and told. Then he called him. He stopped. After he said something, and he also, the dacoit become a good man. This and all we can learn next class. Okay. Today I am going to give, I think you would have understood this much, and next I am going to give meanings. You have to study and write. Listen here. Sabdarth. अंग्रेजी में अर्थ लिखिए, means write meanings in English. Sabdarth means meanings. हार की जीत. हार की जीत means success of defeat. Success of defeat. हार की जीत. First, why this heading now? This one, har ki jeet means first he get defeat, after he got success. So that success of defeat. Har ki jeet. Vettiyilam, tolviyilum vetti. Laglahana, to be fertile. Laglahana, to be fertile. Next, chavi, beauty. Chavi, what's mean chavi? Beauty. Next, astabal, stable. Astabal, stable. Next, mithya, false. Mithya, false. Next, apagish, physically handicapped. Apagish, physically handicapped. Next, cheek, scratch. Cheek means is alaral. We'll say in Tamil alaral. Cheek means scratch. Gunjna, to echo. Gunjna, to echo. Kyal, opinion. Kyal, opinion. Sanata, silence. Sanata, silence. Sanata, silence. Next, pahar, time of 3 hours. Ek pahar means time of 3 hours, they will say 1 pahar. Do pahar means 6 hours. After 6 hours, we will say do pahar. Okay, gin hinana means to neigh, the horse neighing. Hin hinana, to neigh. Once more look here. Har ki jeet, success of defeat. Har ki jeet, success of defeat. Lah lahana, to be fertile. Lah lahana, to be fertile. Chavi, beauty. Chavi, beauty. Astabal, stable. Astabal, stable. Mithya, false. Mithya, false. Apahish, physically handicapped. Next, cheek, scratch. Cheek, scratch. Gunjna, to echo. Gunjna, to echo. Kyal, opinion. Kyal, opinion. Sannata, inna, sannata, silence. Pahara, pahar, time of 3 hours. Hin hinana, to neigh. Hin hinana, to neigh. You should write in your classwork note and study this. Next day study portion is this. This is the next day study portion. Look here, what is the 7th one? Cheek, scratch. 8th one, gunjna, to echo. Kyal, opinion. Sannata, silence. Pahar, time of 3 hours. Hin hinana, to neigh. Okay children, Dhanyavad. We can meet in the next class.